Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update, and this sheet is basically an automation where we want to pull the data from this main sheet by pulling the number of bills, name, phone number, um, payment per month, and the date if it is not checked in. So it means it is not submitted. Then I have added an extra column, you can call it, which is the payment number. So this is first payment, this is second payment, this is third payment. So if something is lying in payment number 3, you can see it in this column. So this is number of bill, name, phone number per month, which whatever the person has to pay, and the payment number, the first payment, second, third, or whatever. And this will be the date which is available for the current day, tomorrow, after 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or 5 days, as asked. So let me show you this. So I need to click this button and let's see if this updates. Okay, so there are now two entries, 1833, number 15 and number 15. I think both are getting repeated or something. So we have, let me check this. All right, so basically what I did, I basically made a change in the formula because when I was testing it, I made this change. So I'm going to revert it. All right, so this is done. And now I'm going to press this button again, and it has to remove everything which is whatever the previous result was, and now it's updated with the new one. So this one is showing that there is only one item which is due today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this continuous date so that, and I will change this to the previous month 17th, and this one to the previous month 18th, this month to the further previous month, so that we can get some one date in here, second date in here. So this is 7/16 in the first payment, 7/17 which is tomorrow in the second payment, 18/7 which is third payment, and we do not have any payments in here because we are using 3 month setup, not 6 months. And yes, I have automated this part as well. So if you are going to select the 6 month, it's going to give you the 6 dates. So the next date will be 18/8 in here. No, not on this one. 18/8. It should be till here. So okay, let's do this and let's try. Okay, as you can see, it's showing the first, second, and third payment due on today, tomorrow, and the day after, 2 days after. And these are 15, 20, and 21. So 15, 20, and 21 remaining is 16th. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it further back, and it should appear on this one. But for that one, I need to make it 6 months so that we can get a date somewhere in here. Yep, in the third payment. Let me take it 1 month further back. So 19th of the March. Okay, so now this is the fourth payment in here. I'm going to update this again, and there should be another payment in here for the third, after third day, which is the fourth payment. So this is how you can see the payment number, and on what day, the next 5 days ahead, you can see the next 5 days payments to be collected. So this is it, and I need to undo all the changes because I don't want to disturb your data. Okay, all set. So now this is your old data, and I'm going to recreate the result again just to make sure. Okay, all right. So this is it. Now I'm going to show you the next one, which is the all the data collected by date, and it should appear like here. Okay, so currently it's showing that no payment has been made, and as we can see on the raw data as well, that no payment has been made. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly copy these and paste randomly. And now we need to see the the collected amount. Okay, now here we can see the collected amount. So these are the dates, and these are the total on those particular dates. So if there are two entries or three entries, here you can see on first of the 7/7/2024, which is a date available in there, and the totals are here. We can always sort it by the maximum entry, but okay, I think I have sorted it by the date. So this is the 16th of 7th, July, August, September, October, November, and then the first of the 2024, 7th January 2024. So this is it, and here you can see the graphical position, so that you can easily understand, okay, which is the highest payment done. So the highest payment done is on 7/1, and it's repeating more than one. I think I should not repeat. Hold on. All right, so it's better view. So there is a total of 4766 on 7th January 2024 and 7th March 2024. These dates are coming just because of the 6 months ahead, and I have made the checks for the 2024 as well, which we don't need to. So we can always uncheck these. And now this is showing the 2023 entries only. And if we'll go to the chart now, it will show you, okay, there are 4 entries, 4 collections made. As you can see, those are here, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'll remove one as well, so now you can see 3 bars showing these 3 dates. And if there are any repeated dates for that particular date, the total will get added to that particular date. So it's a date based total collection. And that is it from my side. Please let me know. So there are 2 things working. I need to give you a menu in here so that you can activate the menu and start using the button. Okay, so that's it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.